met a cool guy out here.
There you go. Skeet also too. Look.
So what does it say?
Freak Show King.
Freak Show King.
Freak Show. There you go. Freak Show King. Oh, my phone ain't even. Hold on. There you go. Make sure you guys follow him.
Says it's been watching.
I'm a fan. Do the thing.
Gracias, homie. Appreciate you. Instagram,
Instagram,
YouTube,
TikTok,
everything. He said. There you go. Make sure you guys follow him. You're based out here in Indio, or where you based out of?
Based out of Bakersfield.
Bakersfield?
From McFarland, California.
There you go. Nothing but love, man. Appreciate you guys too out there in Bakersfield. We got some bad.
Go out there for our cruise night.
Yeah, I gotta try, man. Ahorita YouTube been really downing us, dog. Like,
all right, Bakersfield, you hear that? You guys,
soon as
night, you gotta make that shit happen.
yeah, one night we gotta go out there. I've been wanting to go out to Bakersfield, San Francisco. Man, I've been to Las Vegas already like 4 times. Now I gotta try to do Arizona, Texas, but con tiempo, you know, money comes first, so you could travel.
Family first, then we come out and shows.
Yes, sir.
You guys good content.
But make sure, look, you guys got people from Bakersfield coming out here showing love to Indio. We got, there you go. Make sure you guys also show some love, support to Bakersfield. You know, it and the lowriding culture is nothing but love. I mean, you got a little bit of haters out there. They're gonna keep it on the wraps, or they're gonna show it. But at the end of the day, we're supposed to be together, right or not?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But appreciate the support, homie. Saludos to everybody in Bakersfield, Texas, Arizona, Indio. We got. I just recently sent stickers to friends. You know, so there you go. I mean, appreciate everybody around the world that's watching us. Make sure you guys follow the homie too. Show him some love. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, homie. Ya sabes. Let me get this car right here, and then I'm gonna move out of your way. Look at that. Interior on this one. It's clean. Beauty, something like that in the Regal. Woo. That thing would look nice. Looks black, but it's actually a dark brown. Looks gray right here, but telling you, it's a brown. See if you guys can see it.
speaker?
Yeah, sure, buddy. Hold on. They couldn't open this one for some reason. That looks clean right there. Here's the homie right here, Chela Valley, always supporting me. Let me see where he has the sticker on one of these when he 3 wheels. I think it's the backside, but it's a clean one right here. Saludos to everybody out in Coachella Valley, Indio, North Shore, La Quinta. I got family out here, so I know a little bit of something out here, you know. Ooh, look at this little Chevy Love right here. That thing's clean. I wouldn't mind rolling in this. This is the second one I've seen. I like it. Easy. Ooh.
Look at that turbo.
Yeah. This right here will whoop a lot of V8s out there. How much is it pushing? 400. 400? To the wheel? Original right-hand drive? You don't see those a lot. You don't see those a lot around.
Not too often.
And the majority of them have been made. It's been a minute since I've been in the racing game. I miss it though.
That's too much.
Nowadays, yes. Back in the days, no. Alright guys, we're at it over here again. Homie wants to do a better shout out because I know the music, but yeah, dale homie.
Alright, shout out CV Subies and shout out all my homies out here in the valley, Coachella Valley. My homies from SFK, my homies from TWC and LA. And shout out Flat Black and my job, Manuals AC. And just want to thank everybody that came out here today, enjoyed themselves. Shout out Diablo 666. And I hope everybody had a good time out here.
You already know, man, it's a good time. Every time I come out to Indio anyway, whether there's a show or just to come out and relax, it's always a good time.
Shout out Indio, shout out Indio Fairgrounds for letting us do this. And thank you to everybody.
Appreciate you, homie.
Thank you. Check out my cousin's Subaru.
There you go. Anything done to it yet? Anything done to it? Airbag?
Show your airbag.
Give you guys a little show on the airbags. I don't think I've ever seen a Silvio on bags yet. It's all-wheel drive, right?
All-wheel drive. I can go on my phone.
Up to date. There you go. That's right.
And they're out.
Hey, we gotta put bags on your Lexus.
I like that remote control shit.
Yeah.
When you can watch it happen.
go. Controlling himself over here. That's right. We got more Subies, JDN, all the way down there. Yeah. That's just not. We got more Subies. It's STI. I thought that was a WRX. We got people over there dancing. Okay, no. Look at it, look at it. What you guys rate them? Let me know in the comments.
Not as high as the guy in the suit.
Oh, dang, I didn't even notice him. Where is it? Ándale, solito. There you go. That's old school right there. There you go. I think we got a battle going on over here. They're going at it. Look at them. No que no. There you go. There you go. OG getting down. Look at him. Say hey. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh. There you go. Míralo. See, I mean, y'all remember that back in the day. Todos con las botas de albistruz, la gorra de albistruz. There you go. How old did you say you were?
73.
73?
Yeah.
There you go, man. You still got it.
You know Omar?
No.
Este es el promotor for the show.
Okay. I probably sí lo conozco, pero.
I didn't friend no.
Okay.
He asked me, hey, you know what, mariachi? Yeah, okay. I think I'm ready, like, this time over there.
Hey.
Two other guys, two right here. And I think ready, but
Yeah. Está bien. Hey, dele. Check this out, guys. Look what I see out here.
sí, pero todavía no la crunchy.
Look at that. An actual real monkey. ¿Qué clase de chango es?
Spider monkey.
Spider monkey? Look at that. ¿Todavía no te hace travesuras? Not yet. Still acting, you got him on a diaper or what?
Yeah. Man, this guy.
That's dope, dog. About to hit it.
Did you guys bring a car?
Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do.
Right there. Go to the right a little bit. Right there.
There you go. Get it up. Woo. Got it. He's a little rusty. It's a little rusty because he just got it back. He said he had to get some work done, but he's getting But he's it takes some time to get it back. We'll get it back. We're at the ending of the show, so I think everybody's gonna be out there at the whatchamacallit concert. There you go. It was a good show, good event. doesn't know, come down to Indio, California when they do the fairground again. There you go. Captain Mayhem right there. It's a good turnout right here. So you guys missed out, man. You guys should have came out. LA, you guys missed out on a good event out here in Indio. We got some of the Sikemaka OBS RX-7 3rd gen right there. You got what is that? The Cutlass or oh, we got a Regal right there.
87. It's a blue one.
Oh, that's a blue one right there. 80. Yeah, but mine's a 84. They don't got an 84. I would have got in it and got in it to get painted.
Take the vinyl top off too.
How we doing out here, man?
Look at that. I like that one.
This is how we do it. Check it out.
She's a female.
That's the show.
That's really nice.
How much it is? We're gonna know how much. Count it. That's all the money for the rock.
I like her. No, I like her better. The just the white and the color.
And then her eyes are
You know,
different.
a lot of these people didn't believe that I was getting all cash money.
That one's really nice. I know my kids will be like, I want this one. I want that one.
It fucking went down. And we're gonna give all this money back.
Damn.
Let's go.
Beautiful.
Start the show.
Yeah, I like that.
Start the money.
She's nice. Really nice.